Alrighty, so we're at 41.16 volts. Started off sitting here waiting for a little while, holding onto this. Ended up in a never-ending TikTok saga. Anyhow, let's have a look at what our voltage coming out of this battery is. 35 minutes. Dunno. Not super worried about that one. Something smoked in the top of it. It smells. One might even go and live outside, I reckon. So, we're still obviously saying we're flat there. We're up to 41 volts. And the nominal is 44 volts. I'm uploading the other video already. Okie dokie. Wake the charger up. Plug in our big cable. Plug in our balance cable. Forgot that I'd messed with it with that battery. Okay. Doesn't seem to do anything. Let's try a different port. Knocking stuff off the bench. Back port. Definitely hear something click. Before I had it lighting up all of these. Try the other side of the charger. If anyone's got one of these and they know a bit more about them, I'd love to hear a story about them. Like I said, this is all a bit new to me, but at the end of the day, it's a box with lithium batteries in it. Why would this thing not light up? Right, I'll try all the rest of the ports and see what happens. I'll come back. Okay, I'm at a bit of a loss. I can't get it to recognise this battery. Oh, this is the one that's burnt something inside. And our new but unused, unawakened, if you will, battery doesn't want to play the game either. So I think we're going to have to open this beast and see what's going on. MG66 channel intelligent charger. Micro USB. I wonder what the micro USB is for. Must have some firmware or something on it we can play with. So I need to go and Google that. MG6. I'll learn about that. It's got some serious fans on it, that's for sure. 24 amp charging at one battery. Nothing underneath it. Yeah, I need to figure this out because it's no good. If you've had an experience with one of these, you can shed a little bit of light. Shed a little bit of light, please, in the comment section down below. For now, that one's over 41 volts after we charged it. That's still got over 40 in it. So they should certainly both be recognised by the charger, and they're not yet. So yeah, we'll have to figure that out. I may have to take that up to the owner and plug it into his charger and see if that one's better. This one's having intermittent issues, which they didn't give me the good charger because they need it, obviously. Apparently this one's having issues with it will only quick charge, I think he said. So it'll only charge to 80% and then it stops. Yeah, so there's something wrong inside this. I'll open that up, see if we can see anything obvious. I'll open the top of this up, or at least try and figure out a pin out. It's got quite a serious connector there. Because what are we? We're 44 volts, so we must be 10 in series? No, more. 12 or 13 in series. Maybe 13. So yeah, once we work the pin out, we'll be good to go. So I've got to look up the MG12000s. They're two different brands. Herewin. And those two are the same, the other one must be different. I know, they just look different in cases. Oh, that's what the inside of the third one's doing. So yeah, those bad boys are dead. I'm sure the rest of the cells will be fine, but yeah, those two are cooked. So in the interest of safety, you can stay out here tonight. Stay out there where the naughty batteries stay, just in case. I'm not as worried about these two, they've still got functioning BMSs. But lipos with that known issues should not be inside. So we got a little melty there, you see that? It's got a hot in there for some reason. Battery's still fine. Well, it's not recognising the charger, but yeah. I think this one's done some serious flight time because that's really really worn, looking like it's been connected a million times. But yeah, these are for a Agras, DJI Agras, so it's a 6-rotor super drone that is used for spraying fertilizer and or weed spray. Cool. Thanks for watching. Hopefully in the next couple of videos about this, I'll give you a lot more info. We'll finish cutting that other battery and pull all the good cells out of it and give them back to the client, because they may be able to put them in a future one. At least they'll be matched. We'll charge them all up with the LiPo wall. Turn that off. That's annoying, having a fan that doesn't stop. What are you doing? Why would you have a fan that doesn't stop? Yeah, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, legends.